first rains fell, our planet was silently reshaped. In the delicate dance between humans and water, civilization emerged. Earth's most profound imprint. Through floods and droughts, the prayers of farmers were etched in stone. The hope of sowing, the joy of harvest, passed down in poetry. We read the stars, weaving the rhythm of a tide into myths of time. Tracing the bones of ancient giants, we glimpse the evolution of life carried by the deep time. The rivers flowed onward, drawing national boundaries, transporting tea, spices, and gold, allowing distant lands to meet the languages to blend. We build dams and canals, one miracle guarding another, for we respect water's power and heed its lessons. For millennia, the Yangtze and the Nile have borne witness, lifting cities from their banks, nurturing the triumphs of the human spirit. Now, as these ancient waters meet, we see nature's mysteries unveiled by human resilience, measured by enduring wisdom. In their ceaseless flow, past, present, and future are never fixed, only shaped again and again, preserving yet pioneering, shared yet sovereign. May this dialogue leave the world with a revelation. How civilizations grow through sharing, adapting, and learning from one another.